And as more places reopen across the country, doctors are calling on the government now to step up production of PPE. God bless you.
Excuse me.
In case
I've
there's
never
a
sneezed on television before.
Is that a first?
It's a first in like 40 years. Yeah, like wow. Okay.
Hey, it's a lot better than the hiccups.
I'm glad.
That was a very graceful sneeze, by the way.
I tried to hold it in. I couldn't do it, Dan Bickford. What on earth? Have you ever sneezed on television?
No, nor have I hiccuped or burped or anything of that sort. But I'm glad you sneezed over Ben. That one, not me. Just get that out there.
If there's
Sorry
anybody
about
to
that.
sneeze over, I'll take one for the team.
Good for you. Yeah, that's why we like you.
Right?
Yeah,
Really?
What we're also liking is the fact that the rain finally stopped, right?
Yeah.
We've got,
yeah.
it was a much quieter day today. We do still have a couple spotty showers in the mountains. Today, most of the activity's been east of Interstate 77, where some tough storms have been going this afternoon, some very heavy rain as well, and that's all lifting to the north. We might still see a stray shower in the mountains. We're actually seeing a little bit of sunshine popping out in the upstate. This is how much rain we've seen at some of the official rain gauges since Monday, and a lot. Your results may vary, especially in places like Anderson County. Right at the airport, there was about 5.5 inches of rain, but you go to northern parts of the county, especially northeastern parts of the county, probably closer to 7 or 8 plus. So a soaker of a rain. The ground is saturated. It has been a wet 2020 at the GSP airport. We're currently almost 21 inches above normal for the year, and just 12 inches, a foot of rain above normal for springtime. It's a little bit better in Asheville, but not much, where we're well above normal too. We're looking at about 11 inches above normal for springtime, about 6 inches above where we normally are. There may be more rain on the way. It's not going to be as widespread, but there will be the potential for some scattered showers and thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. Some of those could produce locally heavy rain, though, and with already saturated ground, we'll have to keep an eye on that. It should be warmer, upper 70s, maybe near 80 in the Lakelands. Look for low to mid 70s in western North Carolina. We get warmer for the holiday weekend. We might still see some afternoon storms. More detail on that coming up. Back to you.
All right, and joining us is our 7 News medical expert, Dr. Cedrek McFadden. As I sit here and wipe down the desk for my sneeze, I apologize, everybody. You wanted to put on a mask, but you're good, right? We're going to make it through this. Okay, we're going to talk about going outside and whether or not that puts you at risk